How to change Evernote password. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up Evernote. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the bottom left. After that, click on the settings gear icon at the top right. Once you are here, click on more settings at the bottom. As soon as you do that, this page will open up. Click on the three lines at the top right. After that, from the security section, click on security summary. Once you do that, you'll get to this page right here. From the password section, click on the option that says change password. As soon as you do that, you will get to this page where you will be able to change your password. So go ahead and do that. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to change Evernote password. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.